What time is it? It's tool time. So on Tuesdays, I like to bring you guys a tool that I use a lot and I feel will add a lot of value and help with your fabrication journey yourself. So today, we're going to talk about chamfering tools. These little cheap guys are all over eBay and Amazon. So we do fabrication, right? Which means we cut a lot of metals. What happens when you cut metal? You get a lot of sharp edges. What happens with sharp edges? You cut yourself, they catch on your clothes, they cut your clothes. They're a pain in the butt. So what these do is you can set your height with this little rotor knob. It's got a couple set screws so you can loosen it, adjust it where you need it, and it's got a bunch of these little triangle bits inside there and a bearing that runs on your surface. So when you're cutting like a thicker plate, right, it'll round your edge over for you and give you a nice surface to weld on. It's got a nice little groove so you can fill that in with your weld, get a nice strong weld. And we will demonstrate. And it gives you a nice little chamfered edge there, which is perfect for your welding. You're not going to cut yourself on that. These things are super cheap. They come in a bunch of different colors. They come with a bunch of different names that are just collections of random letters. I'm pretty sure that there's not 25 different places making these. They're probably all made in the same place with different letters on them. So I'll have a link to this in the description. Feel free to click around, get a different color. I know a lot of different people that have these, and I don't think anyone has two of the same brand, and they all work the same. They all work great. Make sure you put oil in them. Some of them are a little bit more expensive than others, but like the one I got comes with extra hardware, a little extra nut, comes with some extra bearings, comes with some extra little blades. I'll show you. So they'll come in a little box. You got you some destructions, little hardware set. So you got like the little screwdriver piece for the nut on it, and then couple Allen heads to tighten your set screws and all that stuff. Then mine came with two different types of blades or bits depending on what you're cutting, and then a little pack with extra bearings and extra nuts for the bottom, some extra set screws and all of that. So these things are great. I use mine all the time. So like I said, inexpensive. They speed up your workflow a lot. They give you a lot more, refined professional results to work with. So your end product, I believe your end product ends up coming out a little bit nicer. That's today's tool. Remember, if you don't get started deburring your edges, you'll never get finished.